Hey guys, welcome for ReveMoto. So today we're going to be doing a removal and installation of a 2017 Toyota Corolla side view mirror. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on that push notification and also hit that like button. If you guys need any pre-painted auto body parts, go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body part source. This is also the place you can buy these side view mirrors, painted, color match, and ready to go. So let's get started on this installation. Alright, first things first, we gotta open the door. Alright, once you remove that Phillips screw, the screw right here, the screw down here, and also pop that armrest cover, and then also pop up the main control and also unhook the wires, and then go over here, take off the cover, and then also take off that plug. And what we're going to be removing is this right here, that little cap. Alright, so get a flathead just like this. Right inside right here, there's going to be a little groove, and just basically put that in there and it should pop right out. And then right there you're going to have a Phillips. So get a Phillips screwdriver like that and take this off. And then if you guys look right here, there's going to be a slit or slot on that door handle. You're going to have to take that off because there's a bolt right there. So again, a flathead. So it's just gonna be clips. So if you just pull it gently, it should pop right off. So again, with that same Phillips, go ahead and take this off. Sometimes it's hard to get out, but it looks like this. And there's another Phillips in there, but it's longer. Well, that bolt looks just like this, right there. But it's all the way in there, so we're not gonna take it off. But it is loose. And then go ahead and get a flathead and try to pry up on this controller gently so you don't damage the controller itself, and also the panel itself. Alright, this thing actually comes off too. So just lift it up. So this is prongs right here. So just lift it up and it should come right off. And then right here too. Lift up like that. And then take the control off on the side right here. If it's hard, just use a flathead. And sorry, it should come right off. Alright, so the next step is going to go ahead and remove this cover right here. It's very easy. You just pull it like that. And just release the plug. So now you can actually take off the... So you got to grab it by an angle right here, down here. Gotta get some force into it, like that, and then pull up. You just let it hang like that. So now, if you guys go to the side view mirror right here, there's gonna be bolts 1, 2, and 3. It's gonna be a 10mm. Let's go ahead and take that off. Don't unplug it because in case the mirror falls down. And these are the bolts you're taking off. Now hold it by one hand outside and then unplug it. So press on the clip on the front. So press on that clip on the front and then unhook it. And now, well, there's a tab right here. Press down on it. And then now you can unhook it. And there's your mirror. So there's also a tab right here on the top. Right here. So you take that off. Mine's just pulled off. But if it didn't, just go ahead and use your hands and you can just pull that tab off. So to reinstall it, just basically go ahead and feed that wire through. I would clip it back into place so it doesn't fall. And then line it up. So this clip right here should clip into place. So if you guys look right here, this thing has to clip into place, and if you're taking it off, you press down on it like that. That's why you have that plugged in, just in case something like that happens. And then you line up the holes like that, and then you press and it should clip into place. And then right here on the side, there's like these push pins, and just push those back into place. And if yours fell just like mine, just go ahead and put it back into place right there, so it connects to the side view mirror. There you go. And then we're gonna go ahead and reinstall the alright, so we're gonna go ahead and install the side view mirror, the screws basically. On the screws, make sure you don't tighten it too hard. Just once it's tight, it's tight. You don't want to break the mirror because the little studs, what's it called, studs? Wherever it's hooking up to with these bolts, it's made out of plastic, so you don't want to break that. You don't need to tighten it up too much. So once that feels tight, just gonna one more twist and that's it. Don't use a power tool because it's gonna make it too tight and it's gonna break. So just use your hands. So it's tight like that. So now let's go ahead and install the panel. So make sure that wire is outside, and then you go up so it goes over first, like that. Press down on it. So once it's good like that, and then just go ahead and hit it. So it should snap into place. You should hear that snap. There you go. And then pull on it. So now go ahead and put that screw in place. Put that cover into place. Then right here, plug up that master switch. And put this cover armrest back on, just like that. And then these screws. Okay, once you put those screws on there and down here, put that cover back into place. Last but not least, plug the, call this tweeters. All right, and there you go. Your side view mirror is back on. All right, guys, so that's how you install a 2017 Toyota Corolla side view mirror. Also works for a 2014, 2017 model. If you guys like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel. Turn on that push notification and also hit that like button. If you guys need any pre-paint auto body parts, just like this one, there's a link down below. Also go to ReveMoto.com, your pre-painted auto body parts source. Thank you.